Hi friend. Today we will present different types of conversation. So get started. Thank you for the flowers.
My pleasure.
I am so sorry I spilled water on your shirt. Never mind, it will dry up.
Thank you so much for carrying the books.
Please don't mention it, teacher, it's my duty.
Excuse me, can you tell me the way to the gym?
Go straight and then turn left.